What's going on, guys? My name is that guy Eddie. This is my first unboxing from Evike. This is the box of awesomeness, which was the New Year's box of awesomeness. If I'm not right. Ordered it about like 2 weeks ago. Came in around $210. Said 10 pounds, but at this point, I'm just happy to see what I get, because I heard a lot of the base boxes were around 10 pounds, but I'm really excited to see what I get, just because I'm coming back to Airsoft since I'm taking a break from my other hobbies. So I've decided to find this new hobby again, and to be honest, even if I get springers, I'm not going to be sad or not happy, just because I haven't been around Airsofts for like 10 years, and this is my first Airsoft in 10 years, so I'm ready to see what I got. But first I need a knife. It's pretty late at night, so I can't probably fire the guns outside and make noise, and I'm gonna hear about it from the wife. But other than that, let's just open them up and see what we get. And to be honest, I've been wanting to make a video like this for some time, but I never get the chance to buy one of these flash boxes from Evike. And right off the bat, I can see the most basic thing. Yeah, more paper. And the legendary box paper. Alright. So, I can see already we got a pouch. Caution, self-isolating. That's me, that's honestly me. Self-isolating. We speak the truth there. Alright. That's fucking cool. And what everybody's been waiting for. Oh, shit. The Springer Scar. Right on, right on. Been waiting for one of these. I know it's a Springer, and a lot of people don't like Springers, obviously, but I'm new at this point, so I'll take what I can get. What's gonna suck is that I gotta possibly edit this video, and I don't like editing because I don't have a computer. So I'm gonna try to make this as quick as I can in just one video, and try to fit everything all at once in less than 10 minutes. But and if anybody watching who makes these kind of videos could give me some pointers on how to change my videos and make them better, I'm all open ears. But dude, I haven't had one in a long time. Holy shit. Look at that. Watch out, dude. Mag. Dude, I'm just happy to have an Airsoft in my hand again. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Just even shoot around the house. Once you got your safety and auto, in this case not so auto. Still really cool. Wow. Alright, put this over here. Safekeeping. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, it's the, I didn't see this. It's the face mask thing with the beard. Sweet. That'll definitely work for work. Right on. So this is the base box, and like I said, I think everybody was expecting a base box. At least everybody I talked to, the weight of the box. And I was reading the comments to the box of awesomeness, and to be honest, I didn't really care what was really coming. But sweet. I got the blue. Oh man, I'm sorry, I opened that up without even showing you guys. Let me close that again. And show you guys again. Like it's brand new. I just straight up opened it and just, didn't even mind showing you guys. But it is the Spring 1911 Springer from Vigor. Yeah, Vigor. And it is, in fact, the blue 1911 Springer, I believe. Right on. Like I said, I'm gonna eventually buy a gas blowback, one of these, and go from there. What the fuck? Dude, it's metal. I did not know that. Single stack. Right on. Right on. Jesus. Is it metal? Feels metal. Alright. Right on. Made from China. Of course. That's pretty cool. And now, from the Barrett. I have no idea what this is. But finally, the biggest boy we have in here. Box. On you go. EMG International. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is it the AK? I'm wondering if it's the AK. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm trying my best not to look it. I don't think you guys can see, but let me do you the honors first, because I have no idea what this is. And if it's blurry, I'm sorry. I got this big old light. Oh, shit. You guys seen that? Did I get a bolt action? What the hell? This comes with like a Barrett license or certificate of authenticity? What? What the hell is this? I was expecting an AK, to be honest. What the hell? What? I don't know what this is, to be honest. I suck at bolt actions. But obviously it's a Barrett 308 Wingcraft. What? Oh. Well, that's definitely gonna be some fun. Bolt action? Oh my god, I don't know how. There's safety? Nope. Okay, let me. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Holy Jesus Christ, I'm not used to that. This is my first sniper rifle. This is a good way to start. Jesus. Alright, so the mag dump button. Oh, you want to come off? That's really cool. Jesus Christ. So you guys can see that. Hopefully it zooms in. That's freaking dope. I'm left-handed, so this is gonna be a problem. What is this? Is that like the hop-up adjustment? I don't know. What is this? Do you guys know what this is? Like a little adjustment. Came over there, so I'm gonna leave it over there. What? Alright. It's got the two string for your keep it up. I forgot what it's called. Excuse that. Like I said, I'm brand new. But I think that's it in the box. Doesn't look like anything else come with it. I gotta look up here in a bit and see what box it is. If you guys know, please let me know, because I don't know how many of these there were. It's a 308. That's really cool. Alright, not a bad first mystery box. I was honestly expecting the 8K. I don't know how many winners of this one there were, and I can't check because my phone is my only recording device. But I'll check in after the video is up. Sweet. That's all I got from this video. From this, I'll see if I can make some videos of me test firing all the guns just so you guys can check it out, see how they shoot. But till then, thanks for stopping by and checking out my first Airsoft mystery box. I'll try to order some more from here on out, since like I said from the beginning, I need a new hobby and this is going to be my getaway hobby. Thanks for watching.